Hello, my name is CJ Caitlin Gibuado, a registered psychologist and a proud graduate of the University of Perpetual Health System Laguna, Binyan campus, where I earned my Bachelor of Science in Psychology. Ever since I began studying psychology, I've been deeply fascinated by the human mind, how thoughts, emotions, and experiences shape who we are and how we live our lives. This curiosity, combined with my passion for helping others, inspired me to pursue the path of becoming a clinical psychologist. Throughout my academic years and professional experience, I've developed a strong foundation in psychological assessment, counseling, and intervention. I've had the opportunity to assist in administering psychological tests, conducting intake interviews, and supporting clients who are dealing with stress, anxiety, and emotional difficulties. As a registered psychologist, I've had experience in conducting psychological assessments, providing counseling, and supporting individuals through various life challenges. These opportunities strengthen my empathy, patience, and ability to connect with clients from different walks of life. I'm now applying for the position of clinical psychologist where I can bring my knowledge, clinical skills, and deep empathy to support individuals on their journey toward healing and growth. I'm particularly interested in working with clients struggling with anxiety, depression, trauma, and other emotional challenges, helping them build resilience and regain a sense of balance in their lives. To me, being a psychologist means more than just understanding behavior. It means being a source of guidance, hope, and support for those who need it most. I'm ready to dedicate my skills, compassion, and commitment to help your organization provide quality mental health care. Once again, I'm CJ Caitlin Gibuado, registered psychologist, and I'm looking forward to contributing to your team as a clinical psychologist, helping individuals heal, grow, and thrive.